Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuides. Today I will show you how to download Canva for PC or laptop. So let's start. First of all, open Canva from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Once you open Canva, you can see over here is bottom of download the app. Click on this. Then as soon as you click on download, a new tab will be opened. So you can see here is Canva for Windows. As I am using Windows OS, here is the option to download Canva for Windows. If you are using Mac, you can simply click on Mac OS, anyone from here. So for now, I am downloading for Windows. So I click on download Canva for Windows. Within a few time, your download will start. So over here you can see my download has started. So I just click on start download and yes, we are done. So in this way, you can download Canva for PC for free. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.